go them boys right there.
Now why you coming through here acting like that?
I ain't mean so. I was just trying. They wanted to hit.
Definitely meant to. You got your camera on and everything.
Yeah, man. I do. I reach in to get it.
You got any weapons in here anytime?
I got my pistol on me.
Get it off your radio.
Hey, could you confirm which door is it?
Oh shit. Damn, we got pulled.
Now why
I ain't mean to. I was just trying. They wanted to hit.
Definitely meant to. You got your camera on and everything.
Yeah, man. I'ma slow it down. I ain't.
I just told y'all. It the light down there. Nothing to you. I just seen y'all coming down first wide open.
Yeah, I got you.
Then now you come through the projects like children don't be outside.
I got you.
23.
They just wanted to hit. I wasn't mean nothing like that. They just wanted to hit the car. That's it.
Okay, you can stop and let them hit the car.
Yeah, I did. I stopped and I revved it up, but then I ain't gonna lie, I took off. But that's on me. I ain't gonna lie. I just wanted to let them hit, and I went
Got
on.
license and stuff, because it sound like he ain't already said something to y'all. What you
I do. I reach in to get it.
You got any weapons in here anytime?
I got my pistol on me.
Let me get it off the radio.
Hey, could you actually confirm which door is it?
You ran the Camaro.
Ah,
What the Corvette? What that
It
big?
went that way.
Y'all doing too much, man.
I got you.
Kids running through here.
I got you.
What you insurance?
It's on my phone. I get on my phone.
Yeah.
Got it.
You driving with a damn camera around your head, like you can see.
Yeah,
I can't. I do content.
I understand that, but that's dangerous. You can't even see for real.
I can see. I got full. I can see everything. It's right here on my head. It ain't on my eye. It's right there. I can see everything.
I can write you a lot of tickets right now. It's still a distraction.
You got the insurance.
Pop your trunk.
Nine.
Huh?
29.
Say what?
29.
Don't come back through here like this.
Oh, I got you. Alright, I'm finna go to the crib.
You said what?
I said I'm finna go to the
I'm
crib.
gonna see you again later. I guarantee you.
I'm finna go to the crib.
Alright.
Alright. I get my license.
I almost killed them.
Alright, appreciate it.
Alright.
I'm slow down. I'm finna go to the crib. I ain't even on that no more. Alright. Damn, y'all boys, y'all see? That's gonna wrap up this video for today, man. They done pulled your boy over, man. I'm finna take my ass to the crib. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Catch y'all boys in the next one, man. This been a crazy one.